Hi, Shannon Jones here with a quick housing market update for Long Beach, California. In looking at the stats for August 2022, what we see is new listings, pending sales, and closed sales were all down from the previous year in August. And prices were also down, both the median price and the average sales price. Average sales price August over August was down by 5.2%. However, if we look at the kind of rolling 12-month average, then prices are still slightly up. It is normal for prices when they're increasing, they don't do this, they do this. So that is what we're seeing. And the only thing that went up in August was the time it takes to sell a home. The average days on the market went up from 16 to 23. So that doesn't seem that long, but it is an increase of a little more than 43%. Homes are still selling, but it is taking a little more time, and it's increasingly important to be strategic with the pricing and the marketing and have a strategy for the negotiating. If you're a buyer, this is a market with some opportunities, although of course interest rates have gone up, and that is one of the things that has really impacted demand. If you have any questions about what's going on with numbers in a particular neighborhood, please let us know and we're happy to help. Thanks for watching.